Hello and welcome to our channel at kitchenadvisor.com. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't want to lose our future videos. Today we will be talking about Instant Pot. We have bought this beautiful device a couple of months ago and we tried to find simple, user-friendly, step-by-step instructions on internet, and surprisingly we couldn't find them. So we started experimenting, making some recipes for Instant Pot, and you can find links down below for our recipes so far. And we found that there are some hints, tips and tricks that we can share with you to make your life easier as an Instant Pot beginner and more enjoyable. Stay with us. When in operation or releasing pressure, do not place unprotected skin over the steam release valve. Do not move cooker when it's in operation. Do not force lid open when the float valve is up. Make sure the float valve is down when you open the lid. Do not touch hot surface of pressure cooker. Use cooking gloves. Install the condensation collector at the rear of the cooker. Align the top of the collector with the guides on the cooker and press in. Place the steam release handle on the lid. To remove the lid, hold the handle, turn the lid counterclockwise and lift. For all pressure cooking programs, the total amount of pre-cooked food and liquid in the inner pot should not pass the 2/3 line. When cooking food that expands during cooking, such as porridge, pasta, beans, or rice, the inner pot should not pass the half line. Always cook inside the stainless steel inner pot. Never cook inside the exterior pot. If there is any food on the heating element, clean it up immediately. Make sure the sealing ring rack is completely set in the groove of the inside of the sealing ring. If the sealing ring is dirty, remove it and clean it. Instant Pot combines both pressure cooking and non-pressure cooking functions. The following are the pressure cooking functions: soup, broth, meat, stew, bean, chili, poultry, rice, multigrain, porridge, steam, and pressure cook. Non-pressure cooking functions: slow cook, sauté, keep warm, and yogurt. The cancel key ends a cooking program at any time or resets the cooker to factory default settings by pressing and holding this key until the cooker beeps. Each program has 3 modes: normal, default, more, and less. The pressure level key. Switch between high and low pressure settings for pressure cooking programs. It works with all buttons that cook at high or low pressure. The delay start key sets the delay time before a cooking program starts. Adjust time manually by pressing plus or minus buttons. Do not put the lid on for the sauté program. Make sure the steam release handle is in the sealing position for all the pressure cooking programs. Quick release. Release pressure instantly by pressing cancel and then turning the steam release handle on the lid to venting position. Natural release. Continue cooking using the pressure cooker's residual heat and steam by pressing cancel and waiting for the pressure to come down on its own and the lid to unlock. This might take about 20 minutes or even more if the pressure cooker is very full. Thank you for watching. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video and I hope that these instructions were useful for you. If you have any suggestions, any questions, just leave your comments below and we would be happy to answer your questions. If you have any suggestions regarding the future Instant Pot recipes, please let us know as well. Thank you very much.